In today's fast-paced and stressful world, music is not just a form of entertainment, but also a powerful remedy for the soul, helping us find peace, balance, and inner healing. Since ancient times, people have used sound and rhythm to connect with their spirit, creating healing rituals and meditative practices. Today, we will explore the power of healing frequency music, a fascinating field that has the potential to transform your life. Stay with Health Tips 365 of Global until the end. And don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your thoughts. Music has long been regarded as a universal language, transcending barriers of culture, geography, and time. There is something inherently powerful about the way melodies can evoke emotions, stir memories, and even transport us to different realms of experience. The connection between music and healing has been explored for centuries, with various cultures utilizing sound as a means of therapy. In recent years, the concept of healing frequency music has gained prominence, suggesting that specific frequencies can resonate with our bodies and minds, promoting healing on multiple levels. 1. The impact of music on emotions and mental well-being. Music and physiological responses. Music profoundly affects our emotions. When we listen to a piece of music, our brains respond by releasing neurotransmitters like dopamine, which is associated with pleasure and reward. This biochemical reaction can lead to feelings of happiness, calmness, or even nostalgia, depending on the music's characteristics. The emotional response to music is often so strong that it can bring tears to our eyes or a smile to our faces, regardless of the context in which we hear it. This emotional release can be a form of catharsis, allowing us to process feelings that may be difficult to articulate otherwise. Effects on mental state. Research has shown that music can help reduce stress, anxiety, and even symptoms of depression. When listening to soothing music, the body naturally relaxes, heart rate slows down, blood pressure stabilizes, and breathing becomes deeper. This helps create a state of tranquility and lowers cortisol levels, a hormone primarily responsible for stress. 2. Healing frequency music. The concept of healing frequencies. Healing frequency music takes this idea a step further by suggesting that certain frequencies can resonate with the body's energy centers or chakras, promoting balance and healing. The concept has roots in ancient practices where sound was used in rituals and ceremonies to restore harmony and health. Tibetan singing bowls, for example, produce specific frequencies when struck, and have been used for centuries in meditation and healing practices to clear energy blockages and promote relaxation. Popular healing frequencies in music. 1. 432 Hertz frequency. Advocates believe this frequency is in harmony with the natural world, aligning with the vibrations of the universe. Listening to music tuned to 432 Hz is said to promote feelings of peace, clarity, and emotional stability. Many people report that it helps reduce anxiety and stress, providing a sense of grounding in a chaotic world. 2. 528 Hz frequency. The love frequency. Associated with transformation and miracles, this frequency resonates with the heart chakra. It is believed to enhance feelings of love, compassion, and connection, not only with oneself, but also with others. In a world where isolation and disconnection are prevalent, the healing potential of 528 Hz music is profound. 396 Hz frequency helps release fear and negative emotions, bringing a sense of inner peace. 4. 639 Hz frequency supports better relationships and communication skills. 3. Applications of music in psychological therapy. Music as a healing tool. The impact of music on mental health is supported by various studies highlighting its therapeutic benefits. Music therapy is recognized as a legitimate form of treatment for conditions such as depression, anxiety, and PTSD. Creating or listening to music provides a safe outlet for expressing complex emotions and facilitates communication in ways that words sometimes cannot. Music in meditation and mindfulness. Listening to music can also be a form of mindfulness practice. Engaging with music requires us to be present, focusing on the sounds, rhythms, and emotions it evokes. This mindfulness can help quiet the mind, reducing the incessant chatters that often accompany stress and anxiety. By immersing ourselves in the experience of music, we can cultivate a sense of calm and clarity, allowing for healing on both emotional and physical levels. 4. Music and memory. Music has the power to evoke memories and nostalgia, connecting us to moments in our lives that have shaped who we are. This connection can be particularly healing for individuals grappling with loss or trauma. Certain songs may remind us of loved ones, significant life events, or even simpler times, providing comfort and solace. The ability of music to trigger these memories can facilitate healing by allowing us to process our experiences and emotions in a safe and supportive way. To sum up, music is not just entertainment. It is a powerful tool for mental and emotional well-being. Healing frequencies contribute to relaxation, emotional healing, and mental clarity. The use of music as a healing tool has been supported by numerous studies and real-life experiences. So, take time to enjoy music and let it become an essential part of your journey toward peace and happiness. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of the power of music in healing the soul. If you've never tried listening to healing frequency music, take some time to experience it and see the difference for yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment below to let us know your thoughts. Stay positive and find your balance in life.